Alright guys, we're just in here programming a second key using the launch here on a 2000 Ford Windstar. We're waiting on the paths countdown. We got the new key ready to go. But I thought what was the most interesting about this van is something in the dash tapping to a musical beat. See if you can hear it. Sorry, I just thought it was kind of interesting, waiting on the paths countdown. I guess I'll walk you guys through this. So on the launch, just identified the vehicle, 2004 Windstar, went into body, went into security, went into PATS anti-theft functions. Says there's a 10-minute countdown from 600 seconds. What I can tell you on the launch is recently, since the last update for me, it has gotten down to about 260 or 250 seconds and just let me in. So I'll kind of, we'll sit here and watch it together, I guess. But it's been counting down from 600 seconds, like the IDS does. This thing runs horribly. I don't know why we're doing a key on this. But anyways, so we'll sit here. We're just watching this thing. See if, usually somewhere in this area, somewhere between 270, 280, and 250, I think, is where I normally see it. Just kind of say access granted. Oh, screen dimming. So I'll go through the process with you guys. Again, this is the launch Diagun 4, and I'll put a link in the description for this tool. I may release the other video that I did with it earlier. All I did was cleared the codes on a Isuzu NPR. Make sure the screen doesn't dim down. On an Isuzu NPR. It's a pretty boring video. Literally just a code clear. I got to drop the key. I've got a customer that has a fleet account that always runs the brakes down metal to metal into the tone ring on these NPRs. So they always drive around the ABS light sets. These guys do the brakes, and they've got a snap-on and they've got an OTC, and neither of them will do the clear on the ABS module. So I just used the launch. I mean, again, nothing good, super boring. Probably won't release the video at all. I'm trying to video more for you guys, but today's been super busy. I've been pretty busy altogether, which is, it's a good thing. So it looks like on this older Ford, it's gonna make me wait the whole time. Son of a gun, just at 200 seconds. All right, that's funny. I ended the one video and I started re-recording just so I could capture the actual video of the seconds that it did. So it let me in at about 200 seconds. So we're gonna go program additional key. Said there should now be an unprogrammed system key in ignition. Turn off the ignition system, result in losing security access. Security access is lost. Start the process. Gain security with unprogrammed key. This process does not erase existing keys. Okay. So it's to place an unprogrammed key in the PATS. So let me set this down to the side. I dropped the key. So we got the key that works. We're gonna undo that. Put this key in. We're gonna press OK. This may not work. That's a weird message that it gave me. It just cycled the cluster. Operation succeed. Program another one? No. Yes. I don't know why, because I don't need to return to this menu really, because I'm already out of security access. So let's cycle the key off. We'll take the new key that we just programmed, put that in, cycle it on. Theft light's flashing. See, that's not any good. Put this key that does work in there. Interesting, folks. All right, so that was weird. I I stopped the video because I thought I broke something, but interestingly enough, all I did was cycle the key back off for a second, let it set, put it back in. Now this is the original key. This is the one that was already programmed, so that we'll try that. Key on, theft light went out, started it, okay? So let's take that one out. We'll grab the other one. The new key we just programmed. No, it doesn't like that key. Something about that key it doesn't like. Ooh, same thing there. Well, let's see what's... Man, all the rest of the lights on. It's acting like there's no PCM communication. Who said they had a problem with this fuse? Let me go talk to them and see what's going on.